will be
Are you
hampered.
sure the petitioner is qualified?
That is why they are working, my lord. After giving, my lord.
How do you know they are the proper candidates who are TET qualified working or not?
My lord, at that point
You
of
do not
time,
know?
At that point of time.
My lord, item number 11, the TET certificate matter, my lord. On the last occasion, CBI handed over, said that the documents are with the board. They have given it.
Yes.
In fact, Chalan was also handed over to the.
Yes, my lord. I have taken instruction, my lord. My lord, item number 14, my lord, sorry, my lord, 11, 12, and 13. My lord, 3D matters. My lord, my instruction, my lord, so far the item number 11 is concerned. My lord, there are 23 writ petitioners subject to correction, my lord. These data I have, 23 petitioners. My lord, your lordship kindly direct us. My lord, we will supply, my lord. Your lordship kindly grant us 2-3
Data means what data do you have?
My lord, that supplied to us. My lord, we can break up
What?
of marks,
What?
break up of marks so that we can supply the my lord,
Digital.
yes,
Digitized data.
digitized data.
And the
From I get
OMR photocopy of the OMR sheets. This is not the
data we
prayer.
have. My
My
lord,
lord,
so that
I have 1 minute, my lord. In these petitioners, I have the photocopy of the original Weimar sheets obtained under right to information.
Oh, this you have.
Yes.
Now you want the digitized data?
No, I want TET certificate.
Oh, you want
TET
the TET
certificate.
certificate.
TET certificate.
Acha.
My lord, my lord, last occasion I submitted that I have no the digitized, I have no the data. My lord, it was therefore, my lord, my learned friend, my lord, submitted that.
Yes. So if you
Now,
have
my
the
lord,
data, why don't you supply the certificate? They do
yes,
not.
my lord, your lordship kindly grant me 2-3 weeks time. I will, my lord,
3 weeks
issue
time?
certificate. 2 weeks time, your lordship kindly, my lord, will issue the certificate.
Please come.
So far, item number 11 is concerned.
Yes, 11. Learned advocate representing.
Lordship, I appear for NCT, Lordship, in 11, 12, 13, Lordship.
All right. Learned advocate representing the
Great.
board submits upon instruction that as the board has the data with regard to the TET qualification of the petitioner, comma. Accordingly, the TET qualified certificate will be issued in favor of the petitioner within a fortnight. Stop. Next.
Petitioners.
Petitioners. Acha. On such submission, the writ petition stands adjourned till 14th of August 2024. The TET certificates shall be issued in favor of the petitioners in the meantime.
Lordship,
And are these online certificates or you get hard copies?
No, hard copies.
You get hard copies.
Probably online certificate. Online certificate.
No signature is required.
We issued, my lord, everybody got the, my lord, online certificate, but now this portal has been, my lord, stopped because, my lord, the time limit was, my lord,
Then
expired. I do not know, but, my lord, he will get the certificate.
at least inform them that it is ready. Come and collect. Whatever.
would it be Lordship's pleasure to kindly take up the matters on 13th instead of 14th?
Which?
The item number 11, Lordship.
Oh. No, it's not disposed. I'm keeping it pending only to see whether it is handed over or not. 14th, you have some difficulty.
Lordship, 14th.
16th?
No, kindly, not 16. Your lordship, my lord, any day.
13th?
Kindly.
13th?
Your lordship, but.
Acha, 13th. Keep it on 13th.
Item number 12.
My lord, same matter, my lord.
18
you have the data. You have the data in item 12.
My lord, but item number 12 and, my lord, 13.
Yes.
What CBI has handed over, my lord, these petitioners' data has not, my lord.
It is not there.
My lord, they can check whatever they handed over, my lord, these data, if they have, my lord, this data, they can, my lord, tally with this number and, my lord.
But then why will the data not be there with the you?
That I cannot, my lord, we cannot, my lord, in a
TET qualified which year?
My lord, TET 2014, my lord.
2014.
My lord, I tell you,
14 TET 2016, I did not qualify. I made an application under RT Information Act. I obtained. I filed a writ petition that 6 questions are wrong. The Honorable Court examined my OMR sheets, directed to give appointment in 2018. In 2021, in contempt, I was ultimately given appointment in 2021.
But then you still do not have the TET qualified certificate.
No.
My lord,
and then you got appointment.
Qualified and they were given appointment.
But then if that be so,
certificate were not issued. That is why this writ petition.
If he is treated as state qualified, then the certificate has to
Yes,
be
we
given.
have issued everybody. It is not that we have not issued.
Then in this case also please issue.
We have no data, I cannot issue the certificate.
But then how do you take him as qualified? You have taken him as qualified.
Yes, after re-evaluating the OMR sheet, he was declared TET pass, and
Give a certificate.
At that point of time, we did not issue anybody a certificate.
Now you have issued.
After that, we issued the TET certificate. The difficulty is that I am telling your lordship, to issuing a test certificate, to issue the test certificate, there are 5 subjects.
Why go into all these things? Because you have declared him to be TET qualified.
Yes, I am not denying it. He is working.
Then
to issue the TET certificate, we need this data, which was the agency. They are now
whatever they may be anywhere else.
Okay, but kindly appreciate one thing is that my esteemed senior friend is saying that 2021 the effect was already given for addition of 6 marks, and this challan was handed over by the agency to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education on 1st of April 2023, lordship, which is 2 years prior to given if
let them cross-check and come back, your lordship.
Who will cross-check?
CBI.
CBI, what the CBI will check?
My role is to investigate, lordship. If I get into these nitty-gritties, then the investigation will be.
Are you sure the petitioner is qualified?
That is why they are working, my lord. After giving, my lord.
How do you know they are the proper candidates who are TET qualified, working or not?
At that point,
you do not know.
At that point of time, they were declared TET qualified. After giving awarding of 6 marks, I tell your lordship, my lord, what happened?
No, don't tell me. If you take him as TET qualified.
Kindly, my lord, kindly bear for a moment, my lord. My lord, initially the matter was, writ petition was filed before this honorable court, alleging that 6 questions are wrong. Give us 6 marks. Ultimately, the writ petition was disposed of, directing the board to award 6 marks. We have awarded 6 marks on the basis of, suppose, your lordship, the answer is A, B, C, D. 4 options, A, B, C, D.
No, this I know. But then after you declare a candidate as qualified, you cannot hold back his certificate.
Right now, we cannot give him a test certificate because of the data we have not. Data is with the agency.
Whatever CBI had, lordship, CBI has forwarded.
Lordship, may I also clarify in this aspect?
Did you forward all documents, all data?
No.
Or are you holding back something?
Lordship, we have not forwarded anything to the board. We have not forwarded anything to the board. Based on this challan, lordship, which was filed before your lordship, filed before the lordship on the previous occasion.
Yes.
It came to our notice that on 1st of April 2023, certain documents were already transferred from the agency to the board. That was in 2023, lordship. S. Basura and company. Now, as per the instructions, lordship, it is also, it has been settled, and it has been each and every time whenever any data is being disputed and board claims to be not having a possession of that data, the responsibility is been passed on to the CBI shoulder.
No, I'm not passing to the CBI shoulder, because CBI has ceased from the S. Basura and company. What I am on, kindly direct the CBI, take it from the S. Basura and company and give it to us. Because now we have no direct access to the S. Basura and company. As soon as we get it's from the CBI, after collecting from the S. Basura and company, we'll issue within a week or 2 weeks, as per your lordship direction. We are not standing in the way, or will not stand in the way to issue the certificate.
If I have
kindly appreciate the situation, we have no data. How can I issue the certificate?
And in the certificate, the marks are given.
Yes, the marks, roll number, name, father's name, everything. That I can collect. Name, roll number, they have given. My learned friend also has forwarded to me. I requested him and he has forwarded. So that I can check, I can tally the data handover.
Give the details. Give the details of the candidates to the
And I have
CBI.
already given details. What they, if I have understood correctly, my lord, what he's trying to say, my lord, in the TET certificate, the marks obtained by me in individual subject has to be given. They are saying that data, what marks I have obtained in individual subject is with S. Basura and Company and CBI has seized it. But, my lord, the receipt which was produced before your lordship by the CBI suggests that in 23, S. Basware and Company has given all the documents to the board. This is the CBI is saying that we have nothing.
Data, CBI go and check it, why should I say that we have not?
Well, give the details to your learned friend.
What details?
Please come.
Name and roll number.
Name, roll number.
Roll number is unique. Roll number is sufficient.
Roll number is the unique ID number is there.
I have already given
to the CBI.
To CBI.
Acha. Learned advocate representing the West Bengal Board of Primary Education submits upon instruction that the data, that is the marks obtained by the petitioners in the TET examination, are not in their possession. Stop. Without the marks, comma, the certificate cannot be issued. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that all data is with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioners is directed to hand over the names and the unique identification number of the
roll number
petitioners within bracket roll number to the learned advocate representing Central Bureau of Investigation to verify as to whether the data of the petitioners are available with the CBI.
We don't
Stop. In the event,
we don't have Milord. S. Basura and Company will have, or the board will have, because
no, you have seized the data from S. Basura.
no.
Digitized data.
My lord, what we are humbly submitting before my lord, whatever data we have seized from S. Basura and Company, we will give it in totality to the board.
You have not, as of now.
Milord, we have not yet, no, because whatever we have seized, Milord, and during course of investigation, we got that S. Basura had already given them the data. And a backup is also with their board. With that, we have got information from S. Basura and Company. Now, my lord, whatever is, now they are saying that they have not received. So, in order to cut the matter short, my lord, whatever data is available with us, which we have obtained from S. Basura and Company.
Then the whole chunk will go.
Whole chunk we will give it to them. Let the board take.
In that case,
here, my lord, with deepest of respect, here, my lord, I have to join issue, my lord. If the CBI has seized, your lordship knows that investigation is going on. If the CBI gives a copy of the entire data, may be given, not the entire data. Here, my
obviously,
these are datas.
these are editable datas. Editable datas.
Very well. They'll have a copy. It's not that they'll give everything. It can never be.
Working copy we'll give them.
Certainly.
So that
কি বললাম?
they can do the
না দরকার নেই বা দিয়ে দিন লিখুন যে the data which the board the data which the CBI seized from S. Basurai and Company shall be forwarded to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education within a week from date. Stop. The board from the data shall issue the TET qualified certificate in favor of the petitioners within a period of 2 weeks thereafter. List on 29th of August.